Hello class, my name is Matthew McGlynn. Today's date is July 18th, 2018. This presentation was produced in Glassboro, New Jersey, and the title of this assignment is California Dams. Evidently, this presentation and my paper for this week are focused on the dams in California. Unfortunately, there are so many dams to choose from in this state for this assignment. I chose to examine 4 of them. The 4 dams that I chose to examine include the Mataliha Dam, the Benbow Dam, the San Clemente Dam, and the Oroville Dam. The reason I chose to study these 4 dams is because I am fascinated by California's water issues that consistently plague the state year after year. I specifically chose to study these dams because they seem to be among the most controversial in California. From lack of city water, water for agriculture, droughts, wildfires, ecological consequences, and problems with aquatic life, water remains the cornerstone of many different issues in the state of California. The damming of rivers and lakes is among the most controversial of topics in California that recurs in the news on a fairly regular basis in some form. The species of fish that are primarily impacted by the Mataliha Dam, the Benbow Dam, the San Clemente Dam, and the Oroville Dam include salmon and steelhead fish. These threatened Chinook salmon are scientifically known as Oncorhynchus thawassia. You'll have to excuse my pronunciation. While the threatened steelhead trout are known as Ornithorhynchus micus. These species of fish are threatened or endangered by the dams because they destroy and fragment fish habitat in a way that is dangerous to the existence of the species. Pictured there on the left is the Chinook salmon, and on the right is the steelhead trout. What I learned about the detrimental effects of dams on fish populations during my research. I learned how precarious of a topic this is because of the stakeholders, interest groups, and wider public. Additionally, even the mere deconstruction of these dams is controversial and must be approached surgically to minimize the impact on the hydrology of the rivers and the welfare of the fish that inhabit them. That concludes this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.